Hey folks, I have a baritone ukulele to show you today, number 911. And it's a really fun project. It all started with some of this maple from my friend Ben's neighbor. And it's got lots of bug holes in it, which I really like. This was a standing dead tree that Ben took down and then shared some pieces with me. Then the top is Spruce. That's from up in British Columbia. All this is Texas ebony. I love getting this little bit of sapwood in there. And then some African mahogany for the neck. And then walnut binding everywhere else. And pretty much every piece of wood on this has a bug hole or a knot or a check or a little crack or something. And sometimes when I'm working on a project like this, I think to myself, man, why am I doing this? It's just a lot of work. It's a lot of work to save these little pieces of wood that everybody else might throw away. But I love them. So what's fun about this baritone is that it's D-G-B-E, but it's a high D. So it's the reentrant tuning, but that lower pitch. So yeah, it was easy for me to play my claw hammer style because it's got the high fourth string. So and I think in the past I've talked about this combination of spruce and maple as probably the loudest instrument I make, but I think it's really not about the volume, it's about the precision that maple adds to the tone. It just makes everything just crystal clear and sweet, and I really like it. But it is pretty loud. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I really like the kind of blonde look to it all. So anyway, that's number 911. Ready to go. Cheers.